Fresno County is expecting only 8,000 doses of the COVID vaccine next week.
That means that fewer people will get the vaccine. CBS 47's Jocelyn Moran joins us live at the Fresno County Health Department. And Jocelyn, it doesn't seem like our allocation is going up.
No, it's not. Joe Prado with the County Department of Public Health says that the state is going to start allocating doses based on county's 65 and older population. That means our allocation here decreases. A lot of frustration among some Valley leaders and health officials. Consideration given that the Central Valley is home to many vulnerable populations.
We're going to get to a point to where we're going to have to really reduce all of our distribution to really reflect 8,000 doses only a week.
With the state allocating doses to counties based on their 65 and older population, Joe Prado with the County Department of Public Health says that means the county receives only 2.09% of the state's allocation.
That 2.09 is not going to cut it. That's just not going to meet our needs. We could easily triple that number and meet those requirements.
Frustration among some Valley leaders on the lack of doses coming into the county.
I am tired as a supervisor of this region being penalized. We are looked at as a stepchild when compared to Southern California, Northern California, and we're not. The Central Valley feeds the state. We feed the nation and the world in many cases.
If the county continues to receive only 8,000 doses a week, it pushes back when more groups become eligible. Prado says those who work in education could not get vaccinated until late March, early April. Today, Governor Gavin Newsom announcing FEMA vaccination sites in Oakland and Los Angeles. Newsom noting that the site in Oakland will ensure impacted communities are not left behind. County leaders and health officials also hoping the governor gives the same consideration to the Valley, given the large food and agricultural community. Prado says they asked for a FEMA site for the county, but were not chosen.
I think when you go through and you look at this response through an equity lens, Fresno County meets every criteria of an equity lens. One of the more impoverished communities in the state of California.
Now, as far as the Fresno Fairgrounds, Joe Prado says the plan is to open those appointments back up for first doses the week of February 15th. He says the hope is that by then they'll be able to announce that it'll be open for those 65 and older. For now, reporting live in Fresno, Jocelyn Moran, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.